Welcome to the BAPS Sri Swaminarayan Mandir and Cultural Complex, Johannesburg. I'm standing in the exact spot where a grand traditional Hindu Mandir will take its seat in our backyard. Already work has begun around me on a 330-meter parikrama which will house our 5-Shikhar Mandir. Although the focus of our anticipation has been on the Mandir itself, the Haveli, Cultural Complex and Youth Centre is taking centre stage. Already tens of thousands of kilograms of steel and concrete have been used to raise the Haveli and Cultural Complex. The wing on the right will house the exhibition halls, Sant ashrams and youth classrooms. The left, Shayona, banquet halls and offices for BAPS charities and the BAPS Research Institute. In the centre, the main 3,000-seater auditorium. Join me on a walkthrough to see the amazing progress that has been made in 2023. Construction on this block is already 80% complete. On the first floor, admin offices and classrooms. On the ground floor, Shayona, with its 1,200 square meter terrace, where patrons can enjoy a tasty cheese and corn samosa, a piping hot cha, and well, an amazing view. Below Shayona will be one of the complex's main plant facilities. These 2 tanks behind me will hold over 500,000 liters of water that will supply the complex's state-of-the-art fire extinguishing sprinkler system. The remainder of the wing will house the kitchens, dining hall, and the 1,000-seater banquet hall. The focus of the project in the final third of the year has been on this part of the complex. Over 250 columns were cast in just this section alone. Within the first few weeks of 2024, the final concrete slab pours will be done and the internal structures of both wings will be complete. Early in 2024, we'll also see the first coats of paint being applied in the complex. The walls of the Sant ashram have already been plastered and are ready for painting. A great deal of thought, care, and research has gone into the way this complex should be built. A great example of this are these bricks. The polished styrene in these bricks provides much better sound insulation than normal bricks would provide, thus allowing each classroom to create their own fun atmosphere, their own fun environment without disturbing anyone in the neighboring classrooms. As we enter the final quarter of construction, there's a real sense of excitement for what this Mandir and Cultural Complex will bring to our community. It is a particularly extraordinary experience walking through the completed structure of our exhibition halls, our Sant ashram and our Sarvasva. The progress in 2023 has been exponential. Just being here, on the construction site, really gives you the feeling that the BAPS Sri Swaminarayan Mandir and Cultural Complex is bringing people, cultures and communities closer together, brick by brick.